Yan po ang ating score, 8-5 dito po sa ating fourth set. Adamson up over Perpetual. Kamusta na, Ivy Remulla?
Mabuti naman, Tito Noel.
Wala na kang ate.
It was the service reception which was the main reason why the Lady Falcons failed in set number 3 at hindi sila nakarecover kaagad with a string of service aces na pinaulan ng Perpetual. They are up by 2 sets and Coach Sherwin is not looking for a 5-set match. Once they get the lead, ang gusto ni Coach Sherwin is they maintain the lead. Meanwhile, for the Lady Altas, it was a good third set, and Coach Jason wants to see the same aggressiveness for the rest of the match. Again, he reminded them na importante ang organized defense pattern para makaabante sila. Back to you guys.
And there's a reason why Sherwin Meneses does not want it to go past 4 sets. Win or lose na yon. Well, again, positioning yan. Regardless, if Adamson wins, regardless, number 2 naman talaga sila. Pero yun na nga, yung positioning sa ilalim nila ang magkakaroon ng problema as we have another point here scored by Angela Benting. Ang dami ng puntos ni Benting, ha?
Oh, hindi lang masyado nating nababanggit or naka-highlight, but she's really done her part, and you know, she's such a role player here inside the on the side of Adamson.
Pe Guevara now to serve because as the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Sandra De Los Santos on the push. Benting is there. Angela Benting, airborne. Nice block by Sandra.
Sabi ni Sandra, sabi niyo kasi tahimik ko kanina eh.
Oh. Pero again, papunta pa lang siya sa game shape. And heading into the quarterfinals, palakas na ng palakas yan si Sandra De Los Santos. Sartin. Makatuno. Benting. Nahanap na yung linya ulit. Again, very smart Angela Benting, and kailangan din makita ng mga taga-Perpetual. Paano ba niya ginagawa yan? Gayahin nga natin yan.
So, because she's very effective, ha? Nakikita mo palagi yung full up.
Ooh, what a serve! Again, tuntua ako sa mga bolang, bumiliko na lang bigla in mid-air.
At yun ang pinakamahirap i-receive sa totoo lang.
Si Cases, hindi niya nakuha yun. 4 ang abante rito ng Adamson. Condada. Argarin, Diaz. Makatuno. Soriano, Lusot. 5 na ang abante rito ng Adamson.
Nadaan ng Adamson sa bilis eh, no? Lahat ng opensa.
And this is panic time, almost panic time at least for Jason Sapin.
Laban tayo, laban.
Mas mabilis. Tapos open mo to. Layo, kanina pa yan. Bilis ka rana. Tapos yung lakad mo yun.
Well, 12-7 ngayon, Pau Soriano. Kumakanta na si Andre Mulya kanina. Kantahin mo na yung
Nakaka-LSS song, di ba?
This girl is on
Ay, hindi.
fire. Yun, tingnan mo naman yung nilalaro rin ni Pau dito. Again,
Of course.
silent efficiency.
Medyo shy kasi ako.
Naku! Pero gusto mong gumawa ng album.
Of course. Photo album.
Photo
Sinabi
album.
ko bang ano?
Basta pag nag-video tayo, kailangan maka 95 ka unang kanta pa lang, ha?
100.
Yon! Yon ang 100% din ang binibigay ni Pau Soriano.
Of course, you aim for perfection.
So, 13-7. Ilang puntos na kaya ito si Pau? Kunin nga natin mamaya sa ating mga stats persons. It's Benting and Soriano and Pineda actually doing the damage here for Adamson. Cases. Oh, well done.
You saw how she managed to go on top of the ball.
Oo. At hindi naabot yon ni Princess Listana. 13-8. Algarin. Makatuno now. To bang. Bang!
Yun yung bang. Nakalusot. Imagine you have 2 strong blockers.
Oh, nagkabukol pa si Sandra dun. Hindi naman ganun katigas yung bola.
Hindi naman. Tsaka sanay yung mga yan.
14-8. 6 na naman ang kabante ng Lady Falcons. Back set. Cases. Ala. Pati sa depensa si Pineda. So, total team effort ngayon para sa Adamson. So, malamang nalubak lang sila nung third set, ano?
Oo. Oo, tsaka ano yan, di ba sinasabi nga ng mga coaches paminsan, nagiging sakit ng mga teams is that if you're up 2 sets, tas wala pang panalo yung kalaban, the tendency is you relax on the 3rd set.
Well, Pao Soriano just set that one back, 16-8. All Adamson here in set number 4.